decided to, to do the project. One is, I was really looking forward to how can I basically maximize the camera. And of course, I was also excited to explore more. As a creative, I always tend to explore and kung ano ba yung pwede ko magawa sa camera na to. So, yun, I was really excited to do it.
Of course, I was so excited when I was invited to do the picture for this one. At the same time, I was challenged talaga. I was in shock kasi I thought it's just a casual shoot na ginagawa ko before, but here it's something new kasi we will be using the Nothing A series phone. So basically, it's a big project shoot using a mobile phone, which is, I guess it turns out naman na it's good. So yeah.
Actually, I saw some of the shoot and the photos that are out there. And looking at the images displayed tonight, which shot feels the most memorable to you?
Madami. Actually, you know what? With the shoot that we did, I actually took almost 6,000 photos because I really love shooting with that phone. So there is one shot that I actually did. It was a slow shutter, and I love the output for that. Even the color tones for that photo, and they can actually check the mood right there with the photo. So yeah. One of the features are the slow shutter ones because you can literally play around with that. And just the color also is also beautiful.
I think my favorite photos was yung mga photos na naka-display sa booth natin. As you can see here. Especially yung cover photo ng preset ko with Nothing Pro exclusive preset. So it's really good kasi yung visual niya, hindi siya halatang mobile photography. During the post process of mine, kapag tinitingnan ko siya, parang talagang siya sa professional camera. Mirrorless, DSLR, but this one's really good. So yeah, yung cover photo preset ko with Nothing Pro.
Yeah, me myself is so excited to try this out as well. So I'll go around and enjoy it as well. Some of the images from the shoot are dynamic or photograph that capture movement. How did that influence the creative direction of the shoot?
In doing creatives with the shoot using the Nothing mobile photography, madami tayong creative options sa phone, which is yun nga yung exclusive presets ng Nothing Pro. So, doon parang nalaman ko during the shoot, ginamit ko yung presets and nalaman ko siya and yung ultimately yung output na it's really good for visuals. And it really, during the shoot, napansin ko kasi yung creative direction, yung mobile phone is friendly siya sa mga beginners in photography, so it's really good.
And of course, sa akin naman, it has, as a creator, there's so many options when you shoot it because of the lens options. There's so many multiple lens options, especially for creatives. No? We tend to wanting to have different focal points for photographers out there. Yeah. Gusto natin may wide, meron tayong 100mm for close-ups and whatnot. So there's so many options right there, which when we were shooting, it's so blatant, as madami na pwedeng paggawa. And with that, you can create so much, for shooting. Not just shooting, for photos, but then for videos as well. Because during the shoot, I did some videos as well during the time. So, okay na good. I love it. Oh, I had fun during the shoot. I mean, just playing around with the phone. For that 50 megapixel feature niya, during the post editing, there's so many details that I could actually use because it's a 50 megapixel camera. ang daming pwedeng paglaruan. There's so much room for me to, twin around the colors, or even most of the photos that I actually put out there are no more editing na most of that. Kasi you can actually see the details already, and even the colors, it's already nice.
Yung actually interface ng camera settings din sa RAW, yung on the mobile phone, it's really simple lang. So friendly talaga siya during the shoot, and it was so fun. Hindi po kami nag-iapot sa RAW settings niya, and yeah, it was so good.
Yeah, thank you so much,